Welcome to the in front of me Cubot P50, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and then we should tap to the sound section. After that we'll see here ringing notification button panel, and just to mute our device notifications we should hold and swipe to the left side this dot, and by this way we'll mute our notifications and also ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only your device notifications, you can make it by another way. Just hold this dot and unmute ring and notification button panel, and after that just tap to advanced here settings, tap to default notification sound and switch your currently sound just to none. Then just tap here to OK, and that's it. By this way you'll mute your notifications but you'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.